Hey everybody, it's Jimmy Eats again. It is Friday. It is almost lunchtime. We're getting hungry. We're going to have buffalo chicken sliders. Stick around, we'll get it cooking. Alright, so to start off with the chicken buffalo sliders, we got to have some chicken, right? So I got 4 chicken breasts. I know that's a lot of chicken. I'm only probably going to use half that, but I'm going to cook them up so that way they're done. I'm going to throw down some of this coconut oil to start off and get that on the Blackstone. Let that cook a little bit, let that melt down. Coconut oil is supposed to be pretty healthy, healthier than other oil, and I just thought I'd give it a try. So get that going. I got my Blackstone on about a medium heat, so we'll get that going and then we'll throw down some chicken. So I'm going to go ahead and season this chicken breast. I'm going to use this citrus herb by Weber. It's pretty good stuff. I'm going to throw some of that on here, and then I'll put some on the other side as well. Alright, I think I'm ready for a flip on the chicken. Gonna go for an internal temp of 165. That is well done for chicken. So it's gonna be a little bit yet. We got a ways to go. Go ahead and give another flip just for fun. The thick part's still pretty raw. Go ahead and keep rotating them around a little bit. I think what I'll do is I'll put all the thick parts together like that. I'm gonna put my meat press right in the middle of that. Maybe that'll help it speed her up a little bit. Alright, so let's check the temperature on this. I got my handy little meat thermometer here. I'm going to do the thick part of this breast and look for 165. About 155. So I'm going to go ahead and flip them again and go just a little bit longer. I think it won't be long, we'll be ready. So while we're letting that rest for a little bit, I have some of these King's Hawaiian Original Sweet Rolls. These are awesome for sliders. Amazing taste, everybody loves them. And I'm going to attempt, hopefully I don't screw this up, to slice it just like that down the middle. So we'll see how good that goes. Get these out here. Now I'm not an expert on this kind of stuff, but I will do my best. Can't be that hard, I hope. Alright, I think I did alright. Booyah, just like that. Okay, we're going to put that in a baking dish. After we pull that chicken, we're going to put it on there. We're going to put all kinds of goodies on there. Then we're going to bake them in the oven at 350 for about 15-20 minutes. But before that, I'm going to put some melted butter and garlic on top, and they're going to be super, super awesome. So stick around. Alright, so we've let the chicken rest for a while. I'm going to try to shred this up. Now I'm going to use this tool. Normally it's a hamburger smasher. I'm going to see if this works good. Just kind of help pull it apart. It works. Not bad. Just kind of got to give it a twist and get it to come apart real good. I'm going to do this with a couple of these chicken breasts. Maybe even use 3 just so I know I got enough. It works. Alright, I'll finish getting this cut up and sliced and shredded real good. Then we're going to put some buffalo sauce on. Alright, so I got the chicken all shredded up. I'm going to go ahead and throw it in this bowl. Pretty sure I got more chicken than I need, but it's alright. It's better than not having enough. We'll go like that. I'm going to go ahead and pour on some Frank's Red Hot wing sauce. Love the Frank's Red Hot. I won't use a whole bowl of their bottle of this, but I'll just put it on until it's coated real well. Just pour some on, mix it up. Try that. Mix it up a little bit. Get it all coated. Oh yeah, that's gonna be plenty. It's gonna be mighty fine. All right, so some of the stuff I'm gonna put into these sandwiches, someone might do it different than me, but this is what I like. I'm gonna put some of this in there. My wife don't want this, but I'm putting some in anyway. And also we have some Roma tomatoes. I'm gonna make a slice of Roma tomato on every little sandwich. So that'll be really good. Smaller the better on these. Alright, I'm going to put that in this little bowl right here. Okay, now I got some Roma tomatoes. I got 12 little rolls there, so I'm going to have 12 little slices. So I think that'll work out just right. So one little slice on each roll. All right, so here I have about a half a stick of butter that I microwaved and melted down. I'm gonna do a little scoop of this chopped garlic. Mix it up real good. Should be plenty. And then also, I'm gonna throw in a little bit of this dry parsley flakes. You can use fresh parsley if you want, but this is all I have for today. Some of that in there. I think that'll be all right. I have the oven preheated to 350. This is gonna be basically brushed on top of all the rolls after I get it put together. Okay, so I got my baking dish here. I'm gonna go ahead and put this, actually butcher paper. I wanna do that so it don't stick to this real bad. Set that in there like so. Then I'm gonna put the bottom layer of the rolls inside, just like that. Okay, now what I wanna do is I'm gonna brush a little bit of this on the bottom. This butter, parsley, garlic mix that I have. Not too thick. Small coating. I think that'll probably be good. And then of course, we're gonna load on the chicken. Try to even it out a little bit. Better to fork it on here like this other than just dump it. That way you don't get the excess buffalo sauce because it could make them a little soggy. Now, remember I said I have 12 of these, so put 12 of these down. Like so. Now, of course, all right, I'm gonna be nice. I'm just gonna put some onions on about half of these. I don't want to make people mad, you know how it goes. But I like onions on things, so that's gonna be good. Now, you can't go without having some provolone cheese. It's gonna cover this whole thing. Put a little bit of this on top. Parsley flakes. And then, because I'm kind of crazy, I love this honey sriracha. Just a little sprinkle on the top of it. Love that sweet heat. That'll work. Probably more than I planned. Okay, and then you slap the lid on top. Just like that. And then, like I said before, throw on your butter mix with your garlic and parsley. Then we're going to bake it for about 15 to 20 minutes at 350. All right, so my 20 minutes is up. This bowl of dish is super hot. I'm going to take some of the remainder garlic butter parsley that I have, throw a little bit more on top. I can hear how crispy that is. It sounds so good. Super excited to bite into these. These are going to be really good. But like everything else, I got to give it a little bit of time to cool down. Otherwise, I'm going to burn the crap out of my face. Which some people will probably think that's funny. But not I. So, I put some more of this butter, garlic, parsley on top. Like so. And then, the very last thing I want to put on is a little bit of sesame seed. I think that'd be kind of cool. So I'll just throw some on there, let it sit for a few minutes while it cools down, and we'll have a bite, test it out. All right, now I think these are cooled down. I'm just gonna take this knife, I'm gonna try and kind of slice it a little bit. That way I can get some of it out of here. Just gonna go like this. Take that corner, just take two because they're kind of small. Your spatula. Oh, wow. Oh, that looks amazing. Let's put it on the plate and have a bite. All right, so here we have it, the buffalo chicken sliders. They look awesome. Crispy, hot. Let's take another look up close. Well, that looks good. Let's have a bite. I can't quit thinking about it. Man, plenty of cheese. Really taste that buffalo sauce. It's good. The seasonings I put on there go really well with that. The tomato, the cheese, the provolone. Gotta have the provolone. Man, that thing's awesome. Really easy. Kind of time consuming, but real easy. If you love buffalo chicken, you know, it's not just for game day, it's for every day. So give it a try. Hit me up in the comments. Tell me what you think of buffalo chicken sliders. Tell me if you'd make them at home or if you'd do it different than I did. I mean, everybody's different. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, right now is a great time to smash that button and hit the notification so you don't miss a thing. I tell you what, everybody, with that being said, these things are smelling amazing. They're calling my name. I'm Jimmy Eats, and that's just what I'm going to do, everybody. I'm going to eat. Thanks. Have a great day.